All sit in a prayerful posture and get ready for the class. Before class, we will say the prayer. Dear God, keep each and everyone safe from all harm and danger. Protect everyone and help each one of us to understand and participate in today's class. Keep your loving hand upon each one of us. Now we will all say the universal prayer. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom comes, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sin as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Welcome, dear students. As your science paper is over, and yesterday I have sent you two answers of the light topic to do in the notebook. So, in that you have done, in the previous class, you have done laws of reflection. Today I will share the activity with you about laws of reflection. That day you have seen the diagram by keeping the mirror, how the incident ray is formed and how the ray gets reflected back, and in between the normal is formed. Now with the help of activity, we will do this, and each and every student will keep their science notebook with them, because today we will study the structure of eye, and I'll teach you how to draw the structure of eye. So I am beginning my class now with the activity of the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie on the same plane, and when we throw light from something, it gets reflected back. We are able to see when the light is coming, it is reflected back also. Just wait for a second. See the incident ray when the light. Now you are able to see the mirror and the unmute yourself. Aditi Singh, unmute yourself faster. I have unmuted you. You unmute yourself. Akriti Atri, unmute yourself. Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, just wait for a minute. Anshdeep, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Aditi, you have unmuted or you have again muted yourself?
No, ma'am, I'm unmuted.
Akriti, okay, Akriti and Anshdeep, I have unmuted. Now,
Hello.
Akriti,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you hear me? Now listen.
Yes, ma'am.
What you are able to see on the screen, you have seen the person has drawn a straight line. Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
what he
ma'am.
has kept on that? Mirror. What he has kept?
Ma'am, mirror.
Mirror. Okay. Now just wait for a second. I will start the video and then I'll ask you question, and disturbance should not be there, beta. Now what you are able to see, Akriti? Have you seen when the light was thrown?
Ma'am, that the light. Yes, ma'am.
Say beta, say.
Ma'am, when the light was thrown to the mirror, the light has reflected.
Yes, the light got reflected back. That's why the
Yes,
person is
ma'am.
putting the dots to show when the light is incident, he's putting the dots on the incident ray, and where the light is reflecting back, that he's putting the dots. Okay, fine. Now I'll start the video. Just 1 minute. Yes. Anshdeep, are you there, beta? Anshdeep has muted herself, I think so. Anshdeep, unmute yourself. Unmute, beta. Faster. You have to unmute yourself. Okay. Aradhana, unmute yourself. I've given you permission to unmute. Unmute yourself faster, beta. Yes, Anshdeep. Again, you are muted yourself. Unmute, beta. Click on the unmute button, na? You unmuted and again you muted. Do it. Okay. Anshdeep is muting, unmuting, muting, unmuting. I don't know what she's doing. Aradhana, unmute yourself. Faster, beta. Arshita, unmute yourself. Unmute faster. Permission is given, but you people are not doing. Ashwin, unmute yourself. Ashwin Kaur. Unmute faster. Yes, do it. Aishwi Sambyal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now, are you able to see some diagram on the screen? Ayushi,
Yes, ma'am.
what they have shown there? What they have shown, you are able to see 3 lines. Can you name the 3 lines on the mirror?
Ma'am,
Come in front of the mic, beta. Come in front of your mic from where you are speaking. Okay. See now. Your voice is not clear. Gori, unmute yourself. Gori, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Gori. Ayushi, voice is not clear. You unmute yourself, Gori, faster. Akriti, you mute yourself, beta. Gori, have you unmuted yourself? I'm able to
Yes,
hear.
ma'am.
Okay. What you are able to see on the screen there? Say, beta, I am able to hear you. You have muted yourself now. Unmute yourself. Unmute, Gori. Click on the unmute button. I have given you permission to unmute. You unmuted and again you have muted yourself. Click on unmute button. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Able to see on the screen?
Ma'am, we can see the normal line.
Yes. What else? Sideways 2 lines are given there. You're not able to read from the screen? Incident ray and reflected ray. So in between the angle formed is angle of incidence, and in the reflected ray the angle is angle of reflection. Okay. Gunleen, unmute yourself, beta. Gunleen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bache. What you are able to see in the diagram?
Ma'am, incident ray, normal ray, and reflected ray.
Yes. And in between the incident ray and normal, what you are able to see?
Ma'am, angle of incidence.
Very good. And in between the normal ray and the reflected ray, what you are able to see?
Ma'am, angle of reflection.
Very good. And this is the activity, and these are the two laws of reflection. Now, two laws are incident ray, reflected ray, both are equal. Okay. And the next one is incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie on the same plane. These are the two laws of reflection. Okay, wait, Gunleen, now. I will go further now with the video. So they are telling us angle of incident means incident ray and reflected ray both are equal. Okay. Now, Deepika, unmute yourself. Deepika Rajput, unmute yourself, bache. Unmute. I have given you permission.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now, are you able to see in incident ray something is written there, na? Some degree is written. What degree is written
Yes,
there?
ma'am. Ma'am, they are 35 degree.
In incident ray, and what is written in reflected ray?
Ma'am, they are also 35 degree.
That means incident ray is always equal to reflected.
Reflected ray.
Okay, okay. And these two laws are proved here in this diagram.
Yes.
And this diagram you all have to draw in the notebook because you have written the answer. Na? State two laws of reflection. So with that you have to draw the diagram and you have to do the activity also. The incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie on the same plane. Okay, fine. I'll just go to the video and then I'll start with the next topic. This is the diagram you have to draw in the notebook this way only. See the arrow what they have drawn. That means from where the light is falling, they have put the arrow down there. And when the reflected ray is passing, they put the arrow up there. So that way you have to draw the diagram by measuring it. And the incident ray and reflected ray should be same, not the different one. So now I will show you the next video. And the next video is of the structure of human eye. Just wait for a second. Okay. Now here you will just give me 1 minute. Okay. Now here you will learn how to draw the structure of human eye and what role it plays in an eye. You have to draw a circle. First, all will draw a circle in your notebook. With the help of circle, it will become very easy for you to learn the structure of human eye. Circle you can make with the help of a bangle also if you are wearing. It will become very easy for you to draw. Then you have to change the shape. See, please, see here properly. Now outside the circle, you have to make a projection little outer side to give the shape of the eye. Now what you will do is I will just pause it for you to draw it. Okay, just wait a second. Wait a second. One minute, just give me 1 second. I will just cross it. Now you see, when they have made the circle in front, they have given the little bulging part outside to give the shape of the eye. And in front of that, you have to give the shape of the eye. And then you have to make a structure of an eye, like how the eye looks. Double it, and then the dotted lines on both the corners. What we have done first we have drawn a circle. Then after that circle, the front part you have to just make it little longer outside, bulging part, so that to give the shape of the eye. Then in front of that, inside it, you have to make the shape of the eye. Double lines you have to make. When we are making any drawing of the human being, we make a structure of the eye. Same way you have to make the eye. And I'll put my cursor there. See, this small muscles we have to draw here on both the sides. You have to draw the muscles, and then below that you have to make 2 dotted line on one side, 2 dotted line on the other side, so that they are connected with one another. Okay. Anushka, unmute yourself. Anushka, unmute yourself faster. Girls, you have to do it faster. So slow you people are. Yes, Anushka. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you drawn the structure of eye? Say faster, beta. Florence, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you drawn what is given on the screen there?
Ma'am, I'm drawing.
Okay, bache, just make circle and the front part, just
Yes, ma'am.
little bulging part outside, and then inside
Yes, ma'am.
the structure of eye and 2 zigzag muscular small muscular structure attached to the eye, and down 2 dotted lines attached to the outer part of the structure.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
much you have done. Florence, you have done this much.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done this much part? Anushka has muted herself, I think so. So wait a minute, I'll just on it again now so that you're able to see. Then draw the double lining outside the circle. See, double line you have to draw. With single circle you have drawn, that you have to put it in double line. The way the person has done with the pencil. And I'm putting my cursor here. Where you have drawn the complete circle now, there you have to make the opening. This, see my cursor there. Opening, that is the optic nerves will come there, so that that eye will give message to the brain. Here. Okay. Double lining on both the sides. And where the opening is, you have to close from there little bit and draw the small hair-like structures in the opening. I think so all have done. Faster,
Yes,
girls.
ma'am.
Circle, opening, bulging part in the front. Then you have to make the look of an eye and small muscles attached to it. Then dotted lines. Then you have to put the double line of that, and you have to close that opening and draw the hairy structure there. Okay. Make it little darker. so that you are able to, first you have to make the drawing lighter, so that if you want to use the eraser, you can use it easily. Now make it little darker so that you are able to see it. Double lining on all the sides. One more layer you have to draw. I'll just make it little so that hand should get sideways. You're able to see. Okay. I'll pause it here. So this way you have to draw. The front part has to be double line, but the behind part, that circle which is there now, that you have to make 2-3 layers there. 3-4 layers there in that opening, and the opening has to be closed. And the hairy structures will be there, so that it will become little darker and you are able to see that drawing easily. I think so everybody can see that drawing easily. Archesha, unmute yourself. Archesha Patania. Florence is unmuted, and you also unmute yourself. Archesha Patania, faster. Unmute yourself. Akansha Manas, unmute yourself. Girls, faster, beta, on the screen only. You have to do that. Unmute faster. I'm giving you permission. Okay. 1 minute. Lichvi, unmute yourself. Do it faster, beta. Lichvi, unmute, beta. I have to go further. Okay, bache. Have you drawn this diagram which I have shown you? Say yes or no, beta. Malika and Sonali just have joined, and your mute and unmute is not there. Malika and Sonali both have just joined the class, on the class, and they are not present there. They have not joined their mute and unmute, just for attendance. Now Sonali has joined.
Yes, ma'am, I have made the drawing.
Okay, Lichvi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you drawn the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, little louder, you come in front of the mic, okay? I am putting on the video now.
Yes, ma'am, I have drawn.
Your voice is little louder, I want your voice. So come in front of the mic.
Okay, ma'am.
This diagram is very important, so please learn it, how to draw. That's why I'm putting on the video for you to learn how to draw the diagram. While making it brighter, it is looking neat. For differentiation, the different color is used. You can see different color is used so that the empty part which is there, with the help of with that muscles, pink color is put so that you can differentiate it. And in the eye, yellow color is put so that you can differentiate all the parts which are available there. And the muscles you have drawn that are shaded with another color. Whatever you have drawn, same thing is being shaded with different colors. Nothing new is added. And the hairy structure which are going outside also with different color. And the front bulging part, they are using the colors. Gitanjali, unmute yourself. Gitanjali, unmute yourself. I've given you permission to unmute. Yes.
ma'am.
Have you drawn the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. All have to draw. It is very important to draw the diagram. Just wait for a second. It will come. Have patience. Okay. But doing it with the help of a circle, it has become very easy to draw the diagram of the human eye. Don't keep it circle only. Just make it bulging from the front and from the back. Then it will give the shape of the eye. Just 1 second. Some network issue is there, I think so. Okay, it will come. So whole part is getting blue. So just differentiating and making it beautiful. You can do only with a pencil also. It's not compulsory to color it. Don't focus on the color, but make it in a proper way, which will be easy for you to understand how to draw it. Just wait a second. Whole part will be colored and then you're able to see. Important part is to label all the parts. When the labeling will come, I'll pause it so that you're able to draw that. Just 1 minute. Network problem is there, I think so. Just wait for a second and we will see how it is labeled. Just 1 second and then we will go further. Coloring is over and the labeling will be there. How to label the different parts. So I will pause it and I'll put the thing how where the labeling is there so that you are able to understand how to label it. So all have understood how to
Yes, ma'am.
draw the structure of the eye. Labeling is there. Just wait a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Then I'll pause it. Let the labeling be over. Then I'll pause it for a second so that you are able to draw ciliary muscles. Pause it. Will pause it. Okay. Now label it, girls. You have seen the thing which is looking like an eye. That is lens. I am putting my cursor there. This yellow part which is there now, this is lens. Eye structure looking like an eye. Then on the top you have drawn the muscular structures there on both the sides. That is iris. And near to the iris, the gap was there which you have joined with that dotted line, two lines. That dot part is known as ciliary muscle. Then the outer boundary which projection you have drawn, That one is cornea. And inside the cornea, there is retina, where the light falls. And where you have drawn the hairy structure outgrowth, that is optic nerve. Vishali, Ritanjali, are you there, bache? Ritanjali, have you unmuted?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bache, are you able to see the labeling parts there? Are you able to see my cursor where I am moving the
Yes,
cursor?
ma'am.
So which is the yellow part? What is the name of the yellow part?
Lens.
Lens, very good. And up to the lens, small that zigzag structure is given on both the sides. What is that part called? Iris. What is that part? Iris.
Iris.
I-R-I-S. Iris. Okay, fine. You can mute yourself. Sonali Sharma, unmute yourself. Sonali Sharma, unmute yourself. Faster, beta. I'm giving you permission to unmute. Unmute faster. Yes, Zubia. You unmute yourself. You have raised your hand. Good. Good. Are you able to hear me, Zubia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see my cursor of the diagram where I'm putting the cursor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you name that part? What is the name of that part? Ciliary muscle.
Ma'am, ciliary muscle.
Yes. Say the spelling of ciliary.
C-I-L-I-A-R-Y.
Yes, ciliary muscle. And down you can see near to this ciliary muscle, one part is there. That two lines are there, na? Near to that, what is that part?
Ma'am.
What is that part?
Ma'am, cornea.
Cornea. Cornea. Okay. Then after cornea, what part is there?
Ma'am,
Retina.
retina.
Say the spelling of retina. R-E.
R-E-T-I-N-A.
Yes. And the hairy structure which is given there.
R-E-T-I-N-A.
Yes, beta. Understood, retina. And the hairy
nerve.
structure which is their opening part. What it is known as? Optic nerve.
Optic nerve.
O-P-T-I-C. Say the spelling. Repeat after me. O-P.
O-P.
T-I-C.
O-P.
T-I-C.
T-I-C.
And nerve is given.
T-I-C.
Okay. Now all have to label these parts which are given there, which are very important. This diagram is in your book, but it is not very clear. So that's why I have shown you the video, so that this video is clear to you, and it has become very easy for you to learn how to draw this. Zubia, have you learned how to draw this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And it has become very easy, just putting the circle, and then just in front you have to bulge the part, and outer part you have to make the opening, and then you are able to draw the structure of human eye. So draw it in your notebook and practice it. Then only you are able to learn it. Fine, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sharing my screen now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to color it.
Your choice. It's not compulsory.